Garmin's Venu lineup has consistently walked the fine line between elegant smartwatch design and serious fitness tracking capabilities. With each new iteration, the brand has refined this balance, offering more advanced sensors, better displays, and smarter features. The release of the Garmin Venu X1, however, marks a significant shift. It's not just another Venu. It's Garmin's boldest design departure yet, bringing high-end hardware and features in a striking new form. That said, the Garmin Venu 3, launched just months earlier, is still one of the most reliable, well-rounded wearables in Garmin's ecosystem. With a time-tested design, rich health insights, ECG functionality, and impressive battery life, it makes a strong case for itself, especially at a more accessible price point. So, which model is right for you? Let's dive into the details to help you decide. Perhaps the most noticeable difference between the Venu X1 and Venu 3 lies in their design philosophies. The Venu X1 marks a dramatic departure from Garmin's traditional look. Instead of the brand's usual circular face, the X1 features a sleek rectangular chassis, just 7.9 mm thick, making it the thinnest Garmin watch ever produced. The body weighs only 40 grams, and it combines a titanium frame with a polycarbonate back, creating what Garmin calls the Oreo cookie design. It's paired with a new Comfort Fit nylon band and a matching titanium loop, offering both comfort and class. Its standout feature, visually speaking, is the 2-inch AMOLED display, Garmin's largest to date, protected by a durable sapphire crystal lens. In contrast, the Venu 3 embraces Garmin's well-established round aesthetic. Available in two sizes, 45mm and 41mm, it caters to a wider range of wrist sizes. The Venu 3 features a 1.4-inch AMOLED display on the larger model and a 1.2-inch screen on the smaller version. It may not push the boundaries of design like the X1, but it looks polished and feels familiar, which many longtime Garmin users appreciate. Bottom line, if cutting-edge, modern design matters most, the X1 is the more stylish, futuristic option. But for those who prefer the versatility and comfort of a classic round watch face, the Venu 3 still holds strong. The Venu X1 takes a minimalist approach to physical controls. It has only two buttons, one for starting or stopping activities and another for going back. Everything else relies on the touchscreen interface, which keeps the design clean but can be a drawback in real-world fitness scenarios, especially when your hands are sweaty or wet. Meanwhile, the Venu 3 uses a 3-button layout, providing better physical control. The middle button is customizable, allowing quick access to recent apps or a voice assistant. It also incorporates gesture-based navigation, such as swiping to reach widgets and notifications. Bottom line, if you like a sleek, pared-down look and don't mind using the touchscreen for most actions, the X1 will suit you. But if you're a fan of tactile controls, especially during workouts or in the rain, the Venu 3 offers more functional versatility. Both watches are built around Garmin's latest Gen 5 Elevate heart rate sensor, which delivers accurate heart rate readings, blood oxygen levels, and even skin temperature. Standard wellness features like body battery, HRV status, sleep tracking, and morning readiness reports are available on both. But there are key differences. The Venu 3 includes a critical health feature, ECG support. This app lets users record and analyze heart rhythms, potentially detecting issues like atrial fibrillation. For users with heart health concerns, this is a huge plus. The Venu X1, while lacking ECG functionality, leans heavily into performance training features. It supports Pace Pro, Climb Pro, race time predictions, and wrist-based running power tools usually found on Garmin's high-end Forerunner and Phoenix lines. It also comes with 32 GB of onboard storage, which can hold maps, music, and apps. The inclusion of full mapping support on the wrist is another bonus for serious athletes or adventurers. Bottom line, for users focused on cardiovascular health, the Venu 3's ECG tool is a strong differentiator. But if you're training for races, love analyzing data, or rely on maps for navigation, the Venu X1 offers more in terms of athletic functionality. Both models come with built-in mic/speaker setups for calls and voice assistants. Android users get richer interaction with the ability to respond to messages using a keyboard or presets, while iPhone users are limited to voice replies. The X1 introduces offline voice commands, letting you control key functions without needing your phone or an internet connection, a nice bonus for outdoor workouts or travel. Music streaming from Spotify, Deezer, or Amazon Music is supported on both, with offline playback and direct MP3 uploads. Battery life is where the Venu 3 shines. It delivers up to 14 days in smartwatch mode, 5 days with always on, and around 20 hours of GPS. That's more than enough for most users, even with daily workouts. The Venu X1 offers 8 days of standard use, just 2 days with always on, and up to 16 hours of GPS. Less stamina overall due to its thinner frame and bigger display. The Venu X1 carries a hefty $799 price tag, making it one of Garmin's priciest Venu models ever, on par with high-end Forerunner and Phoenix devices. The Venu 3 is a much more budget-friendly $449, and it still delivers excellent value with a full suite of features. Unless you specifically need the X1's ultra-thin form, big screen, and mapping tools, the Venu 3 likely offers better bang for your buck. Choose the Venu X1 if you want a bold new design, love large screens, and value advanced training features and mapping. Just be ready to compromise on battery life and ECG support. Go with the Venu 3 if you're after a balanced smartwatch with excellent health tracking, great battery life, and a more traditional Garmin experience at a significantly lower price. Do you want premium style and cutting-edge tools, or everyday practicality and better value?